It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, July the 8th. I'm James Spann. Hard to find a cooling shower across Alabama today, but the chance of scattered showers and storms will gradually increase over the weekend. Here we go. That's the big picture early this morning. Ridging across the deep south. That's what you expect in July. The northern branch fairly active with a series of waves there, and you can see those big thunderstorm areas on top of the ridge. But for us, it's just a quiet, warm, midsummer morning. Look at Birmingham, 83. And that was taken at 5 o'clock in the morning. Tuscaloosa, 76. Anniston and Gadsden, 77. We'll be well up in the 90s today. Some spots will see upper 90s. Heat advisories to the east and west. And different offices have different criteria for that. I think for here, the heat index has to exceed 105. But whatever, just old hot summer July weather today. Up north, we note flash flood watches for parts of Kentucky. Active storm track remains north of the state. Risks of severe weather from the Great Plains over to the Atlantic coast. That marginal risk clips the far northern part of the state, but most all of Alabama should be dry today. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for parts of the Great Plains. And on Sunday, day 3, a marginal risk, again clipping the Tennessee Valley, but we'll see an increase in scattered storms Sunday. And any storm in the summer on a hot afternoon can produce a wet microburst, and they all, of course, have a whole lot of lightning. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Heavier totals for the northern counties where they'll need that. Over 1 inch possibly. This is valid through Wednesday morning with lighter amounts down to the south. And again, you can see the drought situation. A severe drought for parts of northeast Alabama. So we'll take all the rain we can get. We have to have it in the form of these scattered storms, meaning, of course, it's not going to be widespread, but at least some spots over that drought area should see a decent downpour or two along the way, beginning tomorrow and through next week. Tropical weather in the Atlantic Basin stays quiet through the weekend. Here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Troughing coming into the Pacific Northwest, good shortwave over the Great Lakes, and a 594 heat ridge down here. The GFS showing 97 for Birmingham today. Sky mostly sunny, the chance of a shower not zero, but very small for any one given point. But tomorrow the ridge begins to weaken a bit. The air aloft a little colder, so we'll bring in the chance of scattered afternoon storms. The high-res NAM not showing much at 4 o'clock, but it's not been doing well. These models, like humans, have a very hard time with summer convection. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting wet will be in the 20 to 30% bracket, but on Sunday the odds should be higher as the air becomes more unstable. The high Sunday, low 90s, a mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms. Won't rain everywhere, but again, hopefully a few spots could see a decent downpour in a parched state. And pretty much the same thing on Monday. And understand, trying to forecast placement and timing and coverage of convection, it's impossible days in advance, but the door is open for scattered showers and storms all of next week. This is Tuesday. High should be in the 90s. Wednesday, as usual, the better chance, of course, will come during the peak of the daytime heating process. Same thing on Thursday. And a week from today, it's a persistence forecast. The higher heights are a little east and west of here, and again, that means we'll have scattered showers and storms about. Highs probably low 90s with some sun at times. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, July 17th. That looks pretty hot if this verifies. That 594 ridge expands to cover much of the southeast and southern states. And again, if that's right, it'd just be kind of hot with only isolated storms. Take the numbers off the European. It's been doing much better with these. And you can see highs by Sunday and Monday back around 90 because of the increase in storms. Other than that, mostly mid-90s during the day, and lows mostly in the 70s. That looks like midsummer in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.